The Assam Rifles conducted a medical camp for sick children in Kangchup area. The personnel executed the camp after receiving distress calls by villagers of Karam Waifai after they encounter a severe outbreak which affected children and the elderly. Taking to the microblogging site X, the Assam Rifles wrote, Assam Rifles conducted a medical camp for sick children in response to the distress calls made by villagers of Karam Waifai at Kangchup area. The village had a severe outbreak affecting children and elderly. Following the distress calls, the Assam Rifles promptly released a medical team to administer antibiotics and necessary medical facilities. Furthermore, the security personnel also shared information about basic hygiene and sanitary practices and distributed various sanitary items amongst the villagers. They stated, in response to that, a medical team immediately reached the village administering the antibiotics to the children, followed by teaching of basic hygiene and sanitary practices. Sanitary items in the form of soap, sanitizers, gloves, and masks were also distributed.